In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Ads billing. Start by signing into your Google Ads account. From the dashboard, click the billing icon in the left menu, then select Billing Settings. Next, click Add Payment Method if you haven't added one yet. Choose your preferred payment method, such as a credit card, debit card, or bank account, depending on what's available in your country. After that, enter your billing information, including your payment details, billing address, and tax information if required. Now choose your payment setup. Depending on your account and location, you'll see options such as automatic payments or manual payments. Select the option that best fits your needs. Next, review all your billing details and click Save to add your payment method. If you have multiple payment methods, you can also choose which one you want to use as the primary payment method. Finally, return to the billing section to confirm that your payment method has been added successfully and that your account is ready to run ads. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Google Ads billing. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.